Hi, today I'm going to show you how to insert equation in Google Docs. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, you need to go to Symbols, and you need to select this one option, Equation. So I click on it, then I will be able to create here a new equation. I recommend you to click on Math Operations options, and then you will be able to select one from available symbols. For example, I select this option, and I type here maybe 10, and here maybe 16th. Now I click somewhere outside this area and I type here space and maybe plus from the keyboard. Now I need to click here new equation to insert another one and I select this math operations again. This time I select this symbol and I type here 2 and maybe here 11. Now I click somewhere outside this operation. I press space from my keyboard, I press equal sign, and for example I type here 100x. So in this way you can easily create equation in Google Docs. If I helped you to create it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if you have a problem.